Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warm good morning to everyone. Student, we have completed our syllabus and today I am giving introduction to MS logo question answers. Okay, so please complete in your notebook. What do we mean by primitives? Logo is called a primitive, or a command logo is called a primitive. Write down 3 uses of logo. You can write drawing figure, drawing pictures, typing text, calculate on numbers, etc. on the computer. Or logo is the simple computer language used to draw figure pictures, type text and to do mathematical calculations. You can give any way answer, maybe on your way of how will you start logo. This question coming in 8th chapter, so I gave the same question is coming maybe 3 times, so avoid that. Okay, start logo. Do the following step: click on the start button, click all program, click Microsoft Windows logo, a new Windows appear on the screen, click OK to start Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, now come to the 4th one. What is the basic use of recall list box in Commander Windows? Some are question are very small and some are little bit big, but it's compulsory to give for knowledge. Okay, so read carefully. Recall list box keeps all the commands that are typed. You can use it from the recall list box by clicking on the line containing the command. How will you exit logo? Before you know about start, now exit. So when you want to close logo, you can do this in the following way: select file menu and click on its exit option. Simply click on the close windows button, type by in command input box and press enter, which means 3 ways I gave to you for exiting from logo. Okay, now this is the I am giving this extra question: which command clear the recall list box area? So CT means clear text. Clear text CT command clear the recall list box. So that one is 7th lesson. Now this is the 8th lesson. So please read this one also. See student, listen it, logo commands. Where will you find the total when logo start? At the center of the drawing area or at the center of screen. You can give center of the screen. We are doing the work, that's why that's why that area is called drawing area, or you can say center of the screen. When you will open, you can find it center of the screen or center of the drawing area. Which command is used to clear the drawing made by turtle. We are giving command RT90 like that. So that one we want to clear, means turtle is moving steps whatever given, so that area we want to clean, so we can use clean screen or short form of CL, then exit, enter. Please draw a turtle, okay, triangle shape, and write name up, head, and down tail. You should draw yourself that turtle and label it, okay. How will you move turtle forward? By using BK command. BK command is backward. If you are using BK command for moving forward, type minus symbol in front of forward. FD command, FD O is equal to BK minus 20. Okay dear all. Now this is the fifth one. What will turtle do after moving 500 steps forward from home position? You can see that page number 86. See FD80. So how the turtle came? The turtle move forward and it 500 step the screen, come and to the start again. So please do the practical. You gave to turtle 500. In the book we already given 800. Now you will do the practical, you can understand. Okay, if you type FD command with more than 500 step, the turtle will move forward, and at 500 step the screen will come to an end. So it will start again from the bottom of the screen to finish the remaining steps. How can we change the position of turtle? Use RT, yani right, LT, left. We change the position of the turtle, right, left, forward and backward. So we are using RT, LT, FK. This command we are using for moving the turtle. Hope you understand the question answers. So please complete these all question answers in the copy and learn the key terms whatever given in the books. 99% you follow the book. If you know the full lesson, you understand, no need to give any like this question answers. You can make your own question answers. It's a very easy lesson. Both are same and it's a very easy. Okay, it depend on the language, computer language. Okay, please complete in the copy. Thank you so much. The seventh one is how to type the following commands in input box. You can please do this practical. FD100, BK50, RT90, FD70. What you will get, please take the screenshot and send me by WhatsApp. And you can see, observe the movement of turtle. Okay. Thank you.